Answer it. Answer it.
Oh, that's
Hello?
pretty.
Hello?
Oh, hello.
Oh, she's already talking. You gonna answer it? Say hello?
Hello.
Oh, he's gonna open up Sissies? Here, you gonna open up Sissies? Oh, honey, we have to take your whole pajamas off. You wanna put them on. He wants his slippers on, but he's got footy pajamas on.
What size is this for?
Those will fit.
Yeah. This is two?
They might be, yeah, they should, because you got her a size 6.
Yeah, 5 and 6.
Yeah, those will fit her.
That's how they will. I hope they won't work barefoot.
They still will. They'll put them on and off, on and off. You gonna answer? Or... Okay.
There's one more by Santa Claus.
Go get it, Genesis.
No, you go see what it is. Who's it there for?
Hold on, I got the kids.
Because they don't know. They don't know how to.
Oh, look at him. Look at him multitasking.
Oh, mira, Ricardo, mira. Con el teléfono en el hombro. Levi. That's lo que hace la mamá.
No. Don't start blaming me.
Exacto lo que hace la mamá con el teléfono en el hombro.
Those are sissies. 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 Give them to Sissy. It's sissies. Yeah, gross looking. I gotta make that ham, don't I?
They got a kick out of those phones, didn't they?
Maybe they'll leave mine alone. His is almost like a real cell phone. That's crazy.
It's got numbers and
it talks.
It comes a little dog and talk.
Genesis, what are you trying to do? Oh, you're turning yours on and off?
That's 8. See? It's got the numbers and it tells you what number it is.
Are you gonna call Nani? You gonna call Nani? Call Nani.
One more in there. I wonder what that's it. What is that for, Ricardo? I know it's not for you. Oh.
Call Nani. You gonna call Nani?
Hello.
No, leave that chicken there. Leave the chicken there.
Genesis?
Yes, the dog is gonna bite you.
It's calling you. Well, I made their day with those phones. I'm glad.
You made my day with those phones. Maybe they'll leave mine alone. The doggy's gonna bite you.
He doesn't want it. Leave him alone. He don't want any.
He's like, why is this person bothering me in the morning?
Pick up the other one there, Valerie.
Okay, jeez, give me a minute.